Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open the Ring app and immediately select the doorbell or camera you're changing. This gets you into its device page. Once there, tap Settings then Motion Settings to access zones and sensitivity. Make sure your device shows the latest firmware and your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network so changes apply instantly. You'll now set a baseline. Choose Motion Zones or Linked Devices first, because they determine where and when motion is detected before you tweak sensitivity thresholds. Now refine where the camera watches by editing motion zones. Drag corners to include pathways and exclude driveways or trees. Next, set sensitivity using small increments. Raise it for small object detection, lower it to ignore distant movement. Once done, validate changes in live view and walk test the zones to observe real behavior. Also enable smart alerts and adjust the schedule to suppress notifications during expected activity. This reduces false alarms and keeps important events visible without it. Finish by saving your changes and performing several live tests at different times of day to confirm consistent detection. If settings don't take effect, restart the Ring device and close and reopen the app. This often forces a sync. If problems persist, reboot your router and recheck firmware. As a last resort, reset motion settings to defaults and reconfigure zones step by step. If you still see failures, contact Ring support and provide device serial and recent log times for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.